In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Slack notifications on and off. This is really useful if you want to stay focused without completely closing Slack, or if you just want to make sure you don't miss any important messages when you're available. Let's start inside the Slack app on your desktop or in your browser. Look toward the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with your photo or initials in it. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with several personal settings and options related to your account. In this menu, one of the key options you'll see is called Pause Notifications. This is the control you'll use to turn notifications on or off. When you click Pause Notifications, Slack will show you different time options, such as pausing for a short period, a few hours, or until a specific time. These time-based pauses let you step away and focus without having to manually adjust things again later. If you want to effectively turn notifications off for a while, choose one of the pause options that best fits your schedule. For example, you might pause notifications until tomorrow if you're done working for the day. While notifications are paused, you won't get sounds or pop-ups, but your messages will still be there waiting for you when you return. To turn notifications back on, you'll follow the same process. Again, click on your profile icon at the bottom left. You'll notice that the menu now shows that notifications are paused, usually with a status or a label indicating this. Click on that area or click Pause Notifications again, and then choose the option to resume or turn notifications back on. Once you do that, Slack will start sending alerts again, just like before. It's a good habit to use this feature whenever you need focus time, are in a meeting, or simply don't want to be disturbed. That way, you're not tempted to check every new message, but you also don't miss anything important once you're ready to engage again. And that's all there is to it. By using the profile icon and the pause notifications option, you can quickly turn Slack notifications on or off whenever you need.